Hello friends, welcome back to Flavors on Madasakwan. Today I have for you a recipe of chicken broth or yakhni. I've taken two chicken carcasses to make this recipe, and this chicken stock that I'm going to make can be used as a base for your soups or in your yakhni pulaus, or you can just sip on it. I'm getting rid of tails over here, the tailbone. That is an optional. You can really leave it on it because anyways you're going to strain out everything. So that's okay. It's up to you. I've taken a large stock pot and I'm just adding this chicken and topping up with enough water to just submerge the chicken into this. And I'm going to let this cook on medium flame until it starts boiling and this foam. It starts foaming. I'm adding 1 cup of white vinegar. This is just to draw out all the nutrients from these chicken carcass from the bones. Now make sure that you get rid of this thing that is floating on top of this. Basically, you're just skimming out all the impurities that is present in the chicken. So this white foam is nothing but the impurities that the chicken is having. Now what happens is that when at one point all this will clear out, and that's when you simmer down your flame and let this cook. I allowed this to cook on really low flame on my heater, or as you can say, my hot plate, or you can even use a crock pot to do this, after it has boiled down. So this is my hot plate that I used, and you see my broth has really cleared out. And at this point I'm going to start adding a few of the spices that I want. I did not add salt, but it's up to you. You can add salt. So I'm adding a handful of peppercorns to this, and I'm going to add in a inch of cinnamon stick, and not too much, just to give you a very mild flavor and make it really flavorful. I'm adding lots of garlic. It's one whole garlic to this, and I'm adding a really big piece of ginger. I'm just going to slice it and add it. Now basically I made this soup for my husband who was not really feeling well, and this soup is something that really helps to bring out your strength. You can also give it to small children. It's that delicious. It's really good for your teeth, your bones, your hair. It's protein rich, it's mineral rich broth. Now you see, this is my broth which had been cooking for like almost 10 to 12 hours on low flame, and at this point my chicken was just breaking, it's disintegrating. Just sieve it through a strainer, this broth, and that's it. Your broth is ready. So I'm just making sure that I have every bit of garlic, or the bones, and same, you have to strain out everything. You have to strain out even the bones, and my broth is ready. So at this point you can just put it in the fridge, and I'm just going to put it in the fridge, and I will show you how it is, how you're going to eat it. This is after it had been sitting in the fridge for a day, and you see how the layer of fat has settled on top of it. Just scrape it off and you can just add it. It'll be very gelatinous mixture, and that's how you know that your broth is really well done. This is bone broth it's like a digestive elixir, and that helps to heal the gut lining for those who suffer from digestive problems. So it is something that is really beneficial for our health, and it's especially, you see, and I just popped it in microwave. I have added, if you can add salt to this, because there was no salt to this, and you see it's a really good base. I mean, you can use it to create soups, different kinds of soups. I hope you will try this recipe, and you will let me know that how this turned out for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.